Hello and welcome. When you use TechSmith Snagit and you do a screen capture, you'll typically be using that screen capture inside of the Snagit editor. So for example, if we were to click the print screen button, what we'll see is that our handles will open and then we can create our screenshot. Once we complete it, we'll get this image. We'll then capture the image, which will then open into the Snagit editor. Now once we have that image, we can begin to work with it within the tools in the editor. And in this course, we will work with those elements to manipulate our image. Now in its most basic form, what you'll do is you'll go to the File command and you'll save this image as something that you can use in the rest of your graphical content. However, there's much more that you can do than create images as they are when you capture them. And you'll see them here in your top menu, and they'll be within your menus. Now the same thing is going to be true when you capture a video. For example, if we were to record our screen and then allow the screen to record, we'll then be creating screencast video. We finish our recording. That video then is going to open up into our editor, and we have things that we can do with this video even within its final production. And we will also look at that in this course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.